Good morning.
Morning.
What is today?
Today is Rigel's second birthday.
Second birthday.
Mm-hmm.
We got a little decoration on the wall. And we're waiting for him to wake up.
A couple balloons out. There's a little streamer that he gets to walk through when he walks out the door. It's so cute. I'm excited to see his reaction.
Waiting for the munchkin to wake up. What is going on, y'all? So, Rigel is still snoozing, but we have his little breakfast thing made. Happy birthday.
Can add some eggs in there when he wakes up.
Yeah, I'm wearing a tractor shirt. Crystal's wearing a tractor shirt. And we got Rigel a tractor shirt because he is all about tractors right now. That is his favorite thing. So, he should be waking up any minute now, and then we're going to surprise him with all the decorations in the house and all the fixings for today. So, we're excited.
Good morning. Happy birthday.
Hey, Rigel, what's your favorite word in the whole wide world?
Tractor.
Tractor? You wearing tractor pajamas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's Mom got on her shirt? What is that?
Tractor.
Oh, yeah?
Tractor.
You want to see my shirt?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Hold the camera here. What do I have on my shirt?
Tractor.
That's a tractor too? How you doing? What is that? What is that?
Come here.
Come on through, buddy.
Come here. What in the world? What are those things? Stuck to your feet.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got balloons? What are these balloons? What are these balloons? What are these balloons? What's over there? Look where you sit, buddy. Oh, what do we got here? We got a tractor shirt for you too?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah. Please.
Look at that. That's your outfit for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that?
Tractor.
It's a tractor?
Yeah.
What we got going on over here?
Balloons. Woo! Is that fun?
What you got there, buddy? Look at your chair. Look at the wall. Look at all that. You want some num-nums?
La la.
Yep, they're right there.
Yeah. You got a birthday thing in your keto bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a protein bread, in case you guys are wondering. It's a cinnamon toast protein bread. Bacon. Maybe we'll make an egg or two.
Let's do it.
Are you the king in your chair?
Yeah.
Food.
Scoot.
Food.
Okay, I love you. Happy birthday.
Whoa, what we got on here? Whoa.
Shoe.
Shoe? Are those boots?
Yeah.
Did you get some cool boots?
Yeah.
What else is in there?
Oh.
What is that?
Okay.
Is that another tractor shirt?
Yeah.
Is that your tractor
Da
shirt?
da.
Oh, is
Yeah.
Dada's tractor?
It looks kind of like that tractor, huh?
Tractor. Tractor.
Another tractor shirt. Now that one's pretty cute.
I think so.
Look at
It's
that
like a
one.
sweet little boy.
Cow.
That is a cow. You're so smart.
Tractor.
Tractor and a cow.
Papa.
Papa's driving the tractor. What's in that one?
Can use that one today. Whoa!
Whoa. Watty. What's on there?
Tractor.
Tractor? You got tractor in your water bottle?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. What is that one?
Tractor.
Tractor swimsuit.
Can use that for your swim lessons.
Whoa. Pretty cool. Should we just open up the other one too?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, you want to open up another one? Let me get the other one. You stay right there, okay? What we got in here?
The first bag was Robert and I. This one is like things that our friends have shipped us, and I always put them all in the same bag.
What is that?
Whoa!
Whoa,
That
dude.
one's from Aylin.
Watercolors. Wow, vehicles.
Aylin and Kelsey.
Look at that. There's a Nemo motorcycle. Got all kinds of things you can color on
You
here.
can color on that on the way to the zoo.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. What is that? Is it a tractor?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's in there?
Okay. Wow.
Is that another tractor?
Oh,
Wow.
Stacy got you that one.
What does this one look like? Look at this. Whoa. You're gonna be so tractored out.
I love it.
Wow. Wow.
What is that? Is that a book?
Yeah.
What's this book about?
Let me guess.
Good night,
Turn
tractor.
So
Whoa,
cute.
look at that. We got tractors everywhere. Tractors on every page. Look at that.
It's another one from Stacy.
Whoa.
Date.
Yeah.
Date.
Tractors on every page, buddy.
Wow. Hey.
Heavy.
Heavy.
You gonna open it? Whoa, what is that?
Oh
Is that a-
man.
Tractor block set?
It's a train.
Oh,
I guess it could be a tractor if you
it's
wanted
a
to
train,
be.
but it could be a tractor.
That one is from Laura and Courtney.
That's what it looks like. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do we want to open it now or later? We might open this
Yeah,
one
let's
later.
let's just open it later, buddy.
Yeah.
What else? We got one more in there. What is that? Is that another tractor?
Another one from Stacy.
Is that a tractor book? Another tractor book?
Oh my goodness.
Goodness gracious. We got tractors everywhere.
That one actually says what the things are. It's an engine, a tire. That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Are you having a good birthday, Rigel?
Ma. Ma.
Oh, I think that's all. That's all. All your gifts. It's so many, huh? We're obviously potty training. Rigel, are you so happy with your birthday? Woohoo! It's not even 9 o'clock and it's already so good. Should I fill that with some bone broth water?
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's Rigel's birthday, but that's not all. It's also Chip's birthday. So we got him some keto treats. Look at this.
I don't want to spill it.
From Blue Barn Bakery. And we're going to check out his chickens because he got his chicken tractor all built and set up. Give us the grand tour, Chip.
Come back here.
He would like you to know you have the tractor.
You got a tractor on your shirt?
You do have a tractor shirt.
We all do.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Nice. Oh, let me turn this fence off before he gets closer.
You want to touch it for us? Demonstrate? It works.
I touch it all the time just for one now. Oh, yeah, you're all free to touch it now.
Alright, so we got the electric netting from Premier One. We got the band of electrical wire there. And I like how you got your tires. You can just take those on and off.
Yeah.
Your wheels
That
there.
way it flattens out.
Yeah, that's smart.
You can see over here, I've got a couple of spaces where like the yard's uneven.
Mm-hmm.
And this morning I spilled some feed, which is awesome. Predators are gonna love that. But those are coming out. They were there when they were chicks. They're big enough now. They don't need that. So we got that, just a piece of wood to block the little holes that come up with the. One of them got out earlier while I was messing with the fence, and I was
I
worried
like
about
it.
it, but she just ran and ran and ran.
Look at the little chicken chickies.
Yeah, we can.
They're getting big, man. They're getting big. How old are they now? 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks?
Almost 7.
7 weeks.
Is that funny? Look at them. Look how cute they are.
Get back, guys. Get back.
They're
Get
little
back.
tiny chickens.
Yeah, compared to y'all's, they're quite a bit smaller.
That's a dumbbell rack they're all roosting on.
That's funny.
Yeah, that was to get them up there. They've gotten out of where they can get on the top one, so I feel a little better about it. I may pull that out later.
I like it.
Yeah.
I got a hookup for some pork, some pastured pork if you want it too.
Oh, I do, definitely.
Oh, that's cool.
Bacon for sure.
There's a little chick.
Feed the chicken with the worm?
Yeah, like dried ones, not earth ones.
Yeah. Wow, little chicks. Yeah. We can feed them with some worms in just a second. Ooh, I think they hear them.
Yeah.
Hey, Ride, you put your hand out, buddy. Give them some worms.
I wouldn't necessarily let them get it out of their hand, but you throw them to the
Just go
ground.
like this. Open your hand. You throw it to him. Wow.
They're moving.
Well, y'all can let him eat them out of your hand, but his hands might be a little tender. They may be a little rough.
Here, let me
Go over
try.
there and see if I can get him to come towards y'all.
Look. Oh, don't let him get out.
Go get some worms, guys. They got worms.
Want some more, Reggie?
There we go. Come on. You can trust me.
Oh, look at that eating out of Mommy's hand.
You can trust her. Go ahead.
Aww, you guys are so sweet.
Pretty cute.
Go. Worm on your shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right here.
What you think, Reggie? You at the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We at the zoo?
We're at the zoo. Tulsa Zoo.
All right, let's go have some fun. See him? What is that? Is that a bear? Yeah, it's a bear.
That's pretty cool, huh?
We got a turtle.
Yeah. All right, next. What's next?
But it's lunchtime. We got a little picnic action going on here. We got birthday plates and birthday napkins. We got some keto bagels.
It's almost like a fathead dough.
It's like a fathead dough.
got-
Sandwiches.
It's got cream cheese, turkey, bacon, regular cheese, and it's gonna be delicious.
Gonna be delicious. Wanna take a bite for the camera?
Hey.
Oh, this one's for Rigel.
Wanna take a bite for the camera? Take a big old bite.
Bite.
Is
Yummy.
that good? Yeah, buddy. So we got some keto cookies from Blue Barn Bakery here. Raiji, which one you want? That one?
Of course, the biggest one.
Okay, here we go. Take a bite. What do you think? Is it good?
Look at Mommy.
Now you want one of those?
Is that tasty? Hey, Reggie. What you think?
Buck. Buck.
Brick?
Buck.
What do you see, Raiji? What we got over here?
Hi.
Oh, we got some rhinoceroses.
Enough energy.
Rhinoceri.
You see a rhinoceros? Yeah, there ain't no pictures of me down there. Ain't no way. Rachel, what do you
down?
think? Is that cool?
Oh, no.
All done.
Buck.
Walk. What do you think, Rigel? Look at Mommy. Is it cool? You just have to say hi.
Is that a Komodo dragon, Reggie?
Is it a Komodo dragon? hardcore stare down over here. Oh, he's going to sleep.
Alright, we just got back from the zoo. Rigel just woke up from a nap. He's about to get his big birthday present. He's kind of sleepy looking. Let's see what he thinks. You ready, babe? Alright, come here, buddy. Come here.
Hot. Hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
what is that? What's that over there by Mom? What is that? What is that? What is that, buddy?
Is that a tractor?
What is it?
Cactus.
That's a tractor? You want to try and ride it?
It's your very own tractor, dude.
And trailer.
Yeah.
Whoa.
How's it work, buddy? Is it turned on?
Yeah.
I think you just gotta push the foot pedal, buddy.
Yep. You gotta put your foot on it. Put your foot on it like that. Ready?
Whoa! You got use the steering wheel. Use the steering wheel. Put your hands on the
it.
steering wheel. There you go.
Press your foot, bud. Press your foot down. Press your foot down. Woo-hoo.
You gotta keep your foot down, buddy. Keep your foot down. Keep your foot down, buddy. Keep your foot down. There you go.
Wow, right?
There you go. Keep going.
Cactus.
That's a tractor?
Tail. Tail.
Yeah, there's a trailer too.
Watch this. You ready? Oh, whoa, he's on the go.
Yeah.
How's the loader work?
You ready? Maybe not. Okay, you ready? Oh, I think it's. Oh. Whoa, okay. He's on the move.
Wow.
Better watch.
So one of Rigel's favorite meals is keto pizza.
Mm-hmm.
So Crystal's been slaving away in the kitchen, made some keto pizza
That's right.
for Rigel. He's gonna love it. You already cut mine, babe? What do you think, Rigel? Is it good? We got a happy birthday napkin. Oh yeah. You like the pizza? You like pizza? Pizza. And that's a wrap, y'all. Happy birthday, Rigel. 2 years old, tractor themed party. Had a good day today. We'll catch y'all next time. Say bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rigel. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, buddy. Harder. No, blow it out. Blow it out. That works too, I guess.
You want to blow on it?
Blow on it, buddy. Harder, closer.
Go like this.
There you go.
Good job!
Good job, Rigel.
Yay!
All right. Take you a bite of that keto cookie.
You want this cookie? You got
Yeah.
some wax in there. We'll take that wax out, okay?
Where the macros on wax. Love you, Rigel.
Blue wax, I don't think I want.
Love you, buddy. Yum, yum,
Yum,
yum, yum, yum.
yum. Tasty, huh?